Welcome friends. Now we are going to discuss important multiple choice questions on frequency distribution in statistics. Let us start with first question and it says in statistics we collect data for various characteristics. These characteristics are called and here options are frequency, variables, attributes and samples. Friends, the characteristics in statistics are called basically variables. So here option B is the right answer. Let us move on the next question and it says the variables which can be measured are called. Here options are quantitative variable, qualitative variable, attributes and frequency. Friends, in first question we discuss about variables are classified as quantitative variables and qualitative variables. So second question asks us about the variables which can be measured. So the variables which can be measured are called quantitative variables. So here option A is the right answer. Let us move on the next question and it says a qualitative characteristics like nationality, gender, religion, etc. are called. See, in previous question we discussed about the quantitative characteristics or quantitative variables. Here the question is on the qualitative characteristics or qualitative variables, and qualitative variables like nationality, gender, religion, which cannot be measured. So those qualitative characteristics are basically called attributes in statistics. So here option C is the right answer. Let us move on the next question. It says the collected data which is not processed is called. Here options are new data, raw data, fake data, none of these. See, the data which is not processed is called basically raw data. So here option B is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and next question says is a process of making similar groups of observations according to their characteristics. And here options are collection, classification, analysis, interpretation. See friends, the question is a question asks us about the process of making similar groups of observation according to their characteristic. So basically this process is of the classification. Okay, making groups of similar characteristics. So here option B is the right answer. That is, classification is a process of making similar groups of observations according to their characteristics. Let us move on the next question and it says the process of classification includes, and here options are arrangement of data, grouping of data, condensing the data. See, classification includes arrangement of data as according to ascending order or descending order, then grouping of data as per the characteristics or features, then condensing the data. When data is very huge and large, it is condensed. So all these elements are the part of process of classification. So here option D is the right answer, all of the above. Let us move on the next question friends, and next question says repetition of value in population is called. When value is repeated, that repetition is called basically. And here options are frequency, attribute, sampling, variables. See friends, when quantity, when value get repeated, it is basically frequency, and we calculate frequency distribution in statistics, right? So this is one of the important concept uh, in statistic, uh, that is frequency, and it is nothing but the repetition of value. When same value or when same values are in particular groups are repeated, that repetition is basically called frequency. So here option A is the right answer. Let us move on the next question and it says when we find frequency of each observation or group and write it in a table, it is called. And here options are classification, sampling, distribution, frequency distribution, frequency less. See, question says when we find frequency of each observation or group and write it in a table, it is called basically frequency distribution, right? In previous question we have discussed that uh, classification is the process of grouping similar observations, and frequency distribution uh, is the table where we record all these grouped observations, right? So here option C is the right answer. Let us move on the next question and it says the difference between smallest observation and largest observation is called. And here options are variable, range, attribute, deviation. See friends, the difference between smallest observation of the population and largest observation of the population is basically range. It is a range of data or range of population. So here option B is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and it asks us which of the following is are methods of classification. And here options are inclusive method, exclusive method, both A and B, none of these. See friends, in classification of data we create the group, and in that classification these both methods can be used, inclusive method and exclusive method. In sorry, in inclusive method we include the observation up to the upper limit of that class in the same class, and in exclusive method the observation of upper class is excluded. Okay, we are going to discuss about this in further questions, but for this question, which of the following is are the methods of classification? So both inclusive method and exclusive method are uh, exclusive method. Both are the methods of classification. So here option C is the right answer, both. Let us move on the next question, and next question says in dash method observation equal to upper limit is not included in the same class. So this question is on the inclusive and exclusive method. See, in dash method observation equal to upper limit is not included, it means it is excluded. It is not included means it is excluded. So this method is called exclusive method. And when observation equal to upper limit is included, it is inclusive method, right? So I think I hope now the concept of inclusive method and exclusive method is clear here. If you have any doubt friends, let me know in the comment section, right? So for this question, in dash method observation equal to upper limit is not included, so it is exclusive method. So here option B is the right answer. Next question asks us about the midpoint of class is called, and here options are class limit, class width, class mark, and class boundary. See friends, midpoint of class is called class mark or class value basically. So here option C is the right answer. Friends, here I would like to stop now because of the time limit, but make sure that you have subscribed the channel and share this video, like this video with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching.